She's very nice now. Yeah, I'm not here to hurt you. I just want to help you. I just want to help you. And your pupils are dropping. Good. They're having a heyday with you.
Mm-hmm.
Mom taught them well.
Yes.
Yeah, one of the skirts, not a hole in my shirt, okay?
Let's see if we can get Mama.
Well, you can see the vet office, and she's much calmer. She's actually looking around.
Hey, Mama. It's a pretty Mama.
Hang on.
What a good girl. What a good girl. Mama. Oh, now look at that.
Oh, wow. She want me to touch it? Maybe
Yeah.
there is.
Wow. I think it's just going to take a little bit of patience, and I think she'll be all right. What a good Mama.
She's stressed. You don't need to